Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to use Pippit AI. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in pippit.capcut.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Pippit AI. Make sure to create an account for yourself and make sure to be logged into your account. Creating the account in Pippit AI is very simple. You can simply create the account using Google or email. So after you create the account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the home interface. You'll be able to find the options like marketing video, avatar video, AI talking photo, poster, product photo. You can simply click on any option of your choice and start creating the video. So simply look at left. Over here you'll be able to find two sections, creation, management. In the management section you'll be able to find two options, analytics, publisher. So you'll be able to find the analytics over here. You can simply click on these options and you'll be able to access the management options. Over here you'll be able to find the option for creation. Over here you'll be able to find the option for video generator, image studio, inspiration, avatars and voices. So you can simply click on any of these options and start creating with Pippit AI. For example, if you want to generate a video, click on the option video generator. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to generate any marketing video. You can start with your link or media over here. You can simply enter any link you want to convert to video. You can also try a sample link if you want. If you want to do that, click on the option try a sample link, or you can also add your own media if you want. Click on the option add media and you'll be able to add the media over here. Here I'm just going to try a sample link. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to create the videos for yourself. You'll be able to see the medias over here. These are the media generated by the Pippit itself, or if you've added the media you'll be able to see the medias that you've added over here. Furthermore, you can also add the media. Simply click on the plus icon. After that you'll be able to add the media. Likewise, you can also edit the prompt. Simply click on the option edit more. Now you can see over here you'll be able to edit the theme. Also you'll be able to edit the introduction over here. Also you'll be able to add the logo and brand. You can also edit the category if you want. After you edit the video info, click on the confirm option. Now after you do all that, click on the generate option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. You can see over here the video is being generated. Now you can see over here your videos are ready. You'll be able to find several videos over here. You can choose from the video. Simply click on any video.
Friends, stop scrolling.
Now the video will be played. You can also watch the video in full screen. Simply click on the full screen icon. Now you can see over here you'll be able to watch the video. If you want to download the video, click on the download icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to adjust the export settings like name, watermark, resolution, quality, frame rate and format. Simply adjust these settings and click on the option download. Now the video will be downloaded and you'll be able to use this video on any platform of your choice. So like this, you'll be able to generate the videos. Likewise, you can also generate the images, avatar videos, etc. in Pippit AI. So that is how to use Pippit AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.